Is this working? I think so. Yeah, okay, perfect. Welcome, everyone. Nice to see you all. Happy Thursday. Oh, seriously? What the heck? How do you do that? Is there instructions for this somewhere? Beautiful Latin. Beautiful lorem ipsum. No, I don't like that at all. But, like, very nice. Um, so yeah, we need to figure that out. Let's see. If I just search online to uh, chat to OBS scene. Okay, so this guy says, can you guys hear that? Not sure if that sound is coming through. I might need to learn how to do that in the future. God damn, look at his eyes. Jesus. Nice, nice. All right. So you mentioned this thing called stream overlays for Twitch or stream elements, that's what it's called. I wonder if that's the option that you have for this sort of stuff. I'm not 100% sure. Uh, is stream elements the only uh, best solution for Twitch chat on OBS? I imagine. Okay, so it is free and open source. Now, I want to know if the Streamlabs one is better than the other one. I'm gonna guess since Stream Elements is the one that he recommended, that this is a very comp. Wow, damn, nice. I think that this like could be a more popular one, and it does make sense to some. Holy smokes! Look at the things that you can do. This looks hella nice. Gosh darn it! Wow. Someday I do aspire to do some cool stuff like this. This is pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, so let's log in. I will bring this over to a signed in window that I have here, and we will sign in using Twitch. We're just not using Google. Don't know what's wrong. Okay, let's see. Dang! Look at this chat. Look at how much it's asking. But I assume that a lot of people use it, so that it's probably safe. Looks for me. Twitch is not huge for me right now, so even if I get those compromised, I'm pretty alright. Increase, okay, yeah, sure. Activate. Set up your free tipping page and start earning money from your community. Connect your PayPal and nope, don't need that right now. So is that just a way to circumvent subs on Twitch? Is that not against the TOS? I don't know, not sure. I'd rather the tip go to the people who are enabling some of this stuff than just me. No, we don't need any of this other stuff. My leader wants my email, my Discord, country, time zone, language, audience. Not what just remind me later. Okay. So where did they say to go? They said to go to where'd you go in this? Streaming tools and then overlays. Dang, there's a lot of overlays here. Why did I go through all that extra work before? I still think the ones that the other guy made are better though. These ones on the stream elements aren't that great. Okay, so let's create a new overlay. 1080p. Select desired resolution for the overlay. I'm just repositioning my chat on the left hand side here. Overlay resolution, yeah, I think that's fine. Let's add a widget. Maybe later. Just add a widget. We will say that these are stream tools. See your streams chat. And he said to use custom, show message permanently, background colors, username to oh, position and size. Okay. No idea what to use for the position size. Probably let's do 2 by 1. Should be fine. Because we can always extend it up and then cut off the top because the messages will be popping in from the bottom. So I think, yeah, I think we're fine on that. And then this is all fine. I don't really care about this top or left stuff, so we'll just put both of these to 0, 0. And text settings. Okay, so pick a font. What options do we have? Wow, we have a lot of options. I'm assuming it's all the standard ones that come with Google. Let's see if Geist is on here. No. Uh, maybe PT. They got PT. I do like the PT Sans font quite a bit. Let's use that one. Size, let's say 30. Line height 1 should be fine. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so let me add a test message here. Test message. Shoot, I need to be logged in to send it. Go to channel. Shit, that was out. Okay. And let's do test. I think that's a bit big. Let's put 20. Okay, and let's change the size here. Let's say 500 by 1000. Yeah, like that. And then let's go to the text settings and change this to 28. No, that's too big. 24? 24 is nice. And then I do like the PT sans. We can make it bold. Yeah, let's keep it bold here. I wanna switch out this stream one that I have here and replace it back over with this one. Put that down. Yeah, I think that looks good. Okay, so that's our stream overlay stuff. Okay, so we need to save it and then give it a name. Okay, cool. So that's that. Send another test message in here. Salute. Cool. That's good. Save it. Get the link, and now we go into OBS, and we need to add a source. I think you said browser. Yep, let's remove that and add it back. So we go to browser, and we're gonna call it chat. What was the next steps he said? Shut down source is not visible. Refresh browser when scene becomes active. I think it needs access to OBS, so we'll just remove that. Okay, so what's the next steps? Let's send another message here. Let's call it bonjour. There we go. There's what is popping up. Okay, so we need to change the color here to make it white. So I think this is just my dark reader. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's change the style. Let's see what he says to the color. Okay, so that's where you change the color. up here and move this to white. Okay, and then save it. Okay, there we go. Nice, so we got a chat going. Hello, chat. Oh, how are y'all doing? Cool. There we go. That's pretty nifty. I think it's using, I don't know what it would be using. That's so cool. Let's just rename this one. Just call this stream chat. There we go. Cool. That's that. So we will see that we've completed the part of getting the Twitch overlay set up in OBS. So I think the next step here is it not showing up in the actual stream itself? What's going on? What is going on? Oh, it's because it's magically disappearing after 2 seconds or so, whatever that timeout was, I think. Yeah, I think that's what's going on. There's another one here for the dollar and whatnot. Don't really have anything for that for now, so that's fine. Later on, I guess we'll learn how to do those parts of this stream elements and to collect tips and donations. I'm just waiting for that message to disappear. I want to see that message disappear. Okay, guess it's not going to. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. I don't know Amazon Prime was so entrenched with all this, to be honest with you. I guess that's nice. Okay. Yeah, if you guys don't know as well, I am on Mastodon. So if you go to Mastodon Social, I think you just search me up. Nope. Um, it's probably on my GitHub somewhere. Mastodon. There we go. Yeah, that's how you can find me. So I'm also on Mastodon. Uh, give me a follow there if you wanna listen along. And I think Twitch app gives better notifications for when I'm starting to stream and whatnot, but I will announce my streams or if there's any cancellations or whatnot on Mastodon. So give me a follow there if you want to subscribe. Okay, so what's the next thing to do? Probably the Hatsune Miku stuff. I think that'll probably be it. Yeah. Okay, let me just All right. So something definitely wrong here with the thumbnail not being maximized. Now we gotta figure out what's causing that specifically. Hmm. I also want to do something about the camera. I don't think the camera being the bottom there is such a good idea. I was thinking of just like having it at a more like eye level kind of thing. Also, if I tip the camera down a little bit, it does look a little better in the video. Like if I do this, how's that look? A little bit better. A little bit. Okay. Oh yeah, the UMRT team has a meeting going on, so I will put that on the side to listen to while I do some of this work. Will it let me stream my video at the same time? I don't actually know. Okay, so I think the sound shouldn't be spilling over into here. Let me just bring that sound down. How do I maybe bring that down? All right, let's put that streaming right up here. Nice. There we go. Okay, there we go. That's looking pretty nice. This is so loud. I do need to bring the audio sounds down because it is just a little too there we go. So I think we'll just put that there. How's this? Can you hear me, chat? Test, test. Hmm. I don't know if I can actually just only bring down the volume. All right, well, that's whatever. I'll just keep this at max volume. Okay, so I think the next step here that we want to do is go to our YouTube profile and fix up this thing with the All right. So let's go to channel and custom, or sorry, no, I don't want to go to customize channel. I want to go manage videos. So this is what we want to do. We want to figure out why this particular video is not going full screen. Um, 3 hours watch time actually isn't that bad for the VODs. I'm really happy people are watching the VODs. It's a good feeling. Okay, so I think this is where I wanted to do this, and I think I just want to change it out into the Twitch VOD thumbnail. Let's just see how that looks. No. Change it up. Maybe I just need to ask ChatGPT why this is happening. Hey, chat. Why are my YouTube thumbnails not being edited or stretched to the size I want? What is the resolution that they expect for the videos? Thumbnails. Okay, so I want a 16 by 9 aspect ratio, which is why this is happening, because mine is 2 by 1, so I need to go into Krita to fix that up. See what we can do. Okay, so click this one, and I guess we just go to the background and do a crop. Where's the crop tool? There we go. And we just need to put the ratio for this. So there should be somewhere that you can do the ratio, I think. So I think you just need to divide it by, what's the one that ChatGPT said that you needed? 720. 720 is divisible, right? I think it is. 720 divided by 9 should be like 60 or something like that. 80, yeah. So what about 1024 divided by 9? What's that equal to? Okay, it's not quite there. What if I did 1080? That's gotta be divisible by 9. Yeah, okay. So what to do for this one here? Um, don't have much choice as it goes. This kind of blows, to be honest. That being said, let's see. 16 times 1080, 1024 divided by 9. Let's see what that is. 1820. So I think I can get away with 1820. on the other dimension, and that should be fine. There we go. Okay, and then let's save this, and let's export it. Where is the PNG file output? There we go. Okay, let's release it and let's see what happens. No, it did not work. Oh, because it didn't actually crop. The heck? 18, 18. Okay, let's refresh this. There we go. Okay, much better. Awesome. So that's what we needed to do. Looks much nicer. So if I refresh this now, it should fill the entire screen out. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, now we need to add the Hatsune Miku part of this. Hatsune Miku. Oh, fuck, this is so degenerate, but whatever. Mm, Anybody have recommendations on this? Um, yeah, this is so cringe. Such levels. This gives me like the whole what's it called? The pervy anime. What's it called? Uh, that's such a weird thing to search up. There's a it's the one where there's like the panty snatching, whatever it's called. Um, Konosuba. Konosuba Mage. It looks exactly like Megumi. Ugh, it's such a level of fucking degeneracy, and I'm so sad about myself that I actually watched any part of this anime at any point. It was so lewd and just cringe, 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 cringe. But whatever, it was funny. At least I can like meme on other people now on all this stuff. This Hatsune one right here actually doesn't look that bad. I do like that it's already transparent. This one's already transparent too. Mm, What about this one? Well, how's this one? That's also transparent. Not as high res. This is not transparent. Can't use it. I could. I don't want to put the effort into actually making it transparent, to be honest. It's not bad. This is not bad. Um, this feels more Hatsune Miku than this one, to be honest. This seems so like metal, and this seems like cute and innocent. I'm gonna use this one. Let's put this over Hatsune Miku.png. Cool. Uh, Shoot. I removed this. Okay, YouTube. Let's go to our channel again and pull up the videos. Let's open Krita. What the fuck? Screw that. Yeah, keep it. Let's open it back up. And let's insert a picture into this image. I think we're gonna add a new layer. Yeah, let's do a new layer. Import. Oh, interesting. This is cool. Let's see if I add this in. Hey, hey, there we go. We're doing some degeneracy. Perfect. Where's the move tool? Is it? Yeah, it is. There you go. So how's this? Does this satisfy the the required weaviness of all this? This kind of looks nice. Not gonna lie. Oh, this is so gonna fucking cringe. Oh my god. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm not gonna. I'm gonna withhold judgment on this one until we actually put that into somewhere where it's actually gonna be seen. Let's save it. Go. I'm gonna edit this here. Go to manage videos. Fuck, chose the wrong picture. Change VOD thumbnail. How's this look, chat? Feels like a little too big, to be honest. I think Miku can be a little bit smaller. Let's just see what it looks like if I save this right now. Let me just refresh this right now. How does that look? No, it's not terrible. It's not terrible, to be honest. I think it's a little close to the text itself. I do want the text centered and justified. Um, no, I think it's fine. I think it's totally fine. Oh, jeez, that's whatever. Uh, Christ. Okay. Sorry, God, in advance for this. I'm gonna go to hell. Putting fucking anime bait on this shit. Fuck. Okay. There we go. We got Hatsune Miku done. Let's see what's next thing on my list here. Yeah, let's probably just do the Duckworld stuff, and then we can work on the next year's project. I think that's a pretty good idea. How much time we got left? We got like 90 minutes left here of things we can work on. Okay, let's go to local host 1111, and we'll use this. Um, I guess I'll probably change the category of the chat over to coding to let other people know about this. Let's see, let's change this to GitHub, myhairmusha.com. Let's update this stream. Where's OBS? There we go. Okay. I'll do Zola, Markdown, Chill. What are some other tags we can use for this? Software. Let's do full stack. There we go. Done. Um, I'll update personal websites. There we go. Great. And let me just check the stream here and refresh that. There we go. Nice. And let's just make sure that it looks like coding if we search ourselves up. Probably do this in our private tab, but maybe better. Twitch TV. Let's just find someone with software. Game development. See who's doing that. Low to high. Oh, that seems interesting. Might check them out after. Um, Dang, there's a lot of people doing software development streams. Seems a very popular thing to be doing these days. Okay. Well, anyway, we've helped you with this. Let's go jamming. Alright, so that wasn't updated here for me. For oh, there we go. Now it's updating to the how's the name make good thumbnails. Okay, cool. That's that. Okay, that's that. No. Let's bring this up here. Hmm. So we want to switch into Duckwell because this is where we're going to be doing our Duckwell stuff for now. Because we don't want to be pushing it into main by accident. Do we want to see? So let's see if we can actually reload this. So let's do Zola serve. Okay, it says missing date or wait in a sorted section, whatever. So refresh this, see what we get. Nada. Nothing. Okay, let's remove that. So we have our about page. What is actually saying the errors here? Missing date or wait in a sorted section. And go to localhost 111 to see the changes. I'm curious why um, this isn't working as expected. I haven't done too much in terms of the configuration, so maybe that's why. Take a look at the Duckwell Codeberg page. The thing is, there's not a lot of documentation as there was for the other one, so I only know the basics of how to do this, and the rest of it is just taking a look at the example website and just figuring it out from there. So they got the templates as well. Let's see. Config. Oh, I don't like solarized. Lots of different languages, it seems, too. Um, Default language. To translate the entire theme, there must be a file with the same ISO WP language code and I18 directory recited. Example I18FR for French or Z8 here's the for Chinese. Otherwise, the theme will be in English. Okay. Um, Not sure if that has any impact on what I'm going to be doing because I'm not going to be really doing any of that. It's mostly a monolingual website to begin with. I'm not going to be writing enough to bother putting it into other languages. Whether to enable tech for rendering the tech. Whether to render the table of the contents on the pages. I don't know what this means. Content security policy. Keep in mind that although this can be, I need to set a custom policy. Okay. Mods. Yeah, mods are gay. Um, so you just have like a underscore index for the root, and then is this Farsi? I can't read Farsi. I wouldn't really know what this is saying, to be honest. Hmm. Okay, so damn, that is horrible. They just put the straight SVG right into the markdown. That's nuts. Okay. All right. That's egregious. That's one way to say it. Name blog coffee. Let's see what these rendered in as. Okay. Oh, I wonder how that works. Oh, okay. Footer. Oh, okay, 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 okay. So, in our case, let's see what we can do with this. I think what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to just steal. I don't feel like doing all this over again, so I'm going to say content.back is going to be this. And then what I'll do is I'll go into the theme, pull out the content folder, paste it up here, and then go to what's in my website here? Do I need anything here necessarily? No, I'll just put this to config.back.taml, and then we'll just yank out that old config and just paste it in here. I think that should make it render the same way. I'm not 100% sure on that actually. There's, yeah, just look at Some of this stuff is crazy. It's great work. I don't understand why you have to have multiple theme files either, because there's a lot of extra work done. Okay, let's see. Template doesn't exist or isn't loaded. Okay. I wonder if I should just even put this to a backup file, to be honest with you. I'll just like remove this for now. Probably just comment it out. I think that should. Reason found usage of shortcode in alert, but we do not know about it. If you have it, okay, where is the alert? Show me what you mean. Okay. Should have a shortcut for it. Where is the template shortcode alert? Yeah, there is an alert. What the fuck are you on about? Yeah, I don't know. Something's something's not right. So serve AR found a shortcode named alert. Why are you taking a look at that one? There we go. Let's clean this one up. Damn, there was no need to put all this in here for everyone. Okay, let's do Zola serve again. Fuck you! What do you mean? Oh, what the hell? Following usage of a shortcode named alert, but we do not know about. Make sure it's not a typo and that it exists in the template shortcode directory. Okay. I wonder if it's just because I need to literally copy these shortcodes out of here and then just toss them into there like that. Loads macros, which isn't. I don't understand why it's going into there when it should be going into the template folder because I've set the template to this already. Right? Like it's already set to uh Dopquil, no? My cap here? Theme. Oh, okay. Maybe that's why. Theme equals Dopquil. Okay, and let's use for now. Because I think, like, it doesn't make sense. Why would you have a template then if you're just downloading everything back in? Content AR template. Okay. Cat URL failed. Doesn't make sense. There's no file like that in here anywhere. Um, so serve sid h hans. Mm. Maybe it's because of these languages here. Maybe I have to remove the languages from in here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so the CSS isn't rendering, but it is putting everything else here. Why is the CSS not rendering? Why are they getting locked? CSP content policies. It's because of the security policies that we have. Okay, there was something in here about the security policies. Let's just comment those out for now. There we go. Hell yeah. Nice. I got it working. Cool. Sure. Enable quill. Website. Great. Okay. Let me go to the washroom and I will be right back. Okay. Be right back. Yes, I did wash my hands. Yes, I know you probably were thinking about that. No, I don't feel compelled to tell you anything more that happened in there. I still have this stream going on in the top left here, listening to the UMR2 team presenting their stuff to the stakeholders in their design review meeting. Um, kind of wish that I knew a little bit more about what was going on with that project to give better advice, but I think I've just been too far out of the loop. they've been doing real well as a team. Plus, a lot of their members have been like interns at JCA, at least the leads and whatnot. So um, don't feel too bad. But I did do a workshop for them already. So that's pretty nice. Anyway, our website here. So I think we can just do a link to home for that one. We just try changing things up and just say hello and hi and whatnot. Now there's a lot of information here that we need to write down about DevQuil that I'll be learning here, so I'm gonna write some of that down. Let's come up with an empty page here. Just doing some long-term planning. We'll come back to that after. Get all this. I was doing a little explainer to my mom about like stocks and like how the whole market is just super overvalued right now with all this ChatGPT stuff and the GPT and all that going on. And the next like fucking Monday after, DeepSeek comes out and just ruins everything. And it's not even that like DeepSeek isn't that like crazy of a thing. Everything was leading to it. There were signs of it. Meta's been doing open models for a really long time. Um, DeepSeek is essentially just what they stand for. People that don't know a few years back, and I'm surprised nobody's talking about that because there was a research study that came out, and that didn't tank the stocks at all. Actually don't remember if it did. I wasn't paying attention to the actual stock prices during back then. But when DeepSeek comes out and does like all this, I think it's just because the whole market themselves are asking themselves, is this worth it? Are we spending all this money and is it worth it? And to some extent, no, it's not worth it. You're spending a lot of money, you're investing a lot of capital into pioneering a solution, and history has always taught us that the people who usually pioneer have to spend a fuck ton more resources than anybody else who wants to build anything. Um, So yeah, I think China and the EU actually have a really good shot at this. The problem with the EU is that there's like actual good policies in place for like protecting people's like personal work and all that. So it's unlikely that a lot of this stuff can properly be like sourced and whatnot. But the research itself should not be a hindrance in Europe because I'm pretty sure ETH Zurich and all those other places partner with places like Google and all that to to do some of this stuff. Let's see, what was this? What's this notes about? This is the advice, Eton transfer. Oh yeah, it's the DNet stuff. Okay, next RM check. Final behavioral super. I'm gonna write this over onto the other page. We'll start writing on this one. So there's a technical assignment. That's some reason, like Monday feels so long ago, and it's usually not like this. I think it's just because of like the excitement of doing streaming that is like creating this illusion that time is taking longer to pass. So I think this is good. It's pretty nice to, have that kind of thing going on in your life. Um, because if you don't have that, it just feels like every fucking day is blending together and you don't know like what's going on and what's not going on. But Yeah, I do like this quite a bit. And it's okay. There's like only one person, and that's me. I think the only viewer right now on this stream. Um, but I'm pretty confident that as time goes on, more and more people will start tuning in, and I'll start building a little bit of an audience. I seems that it's going to be mostly based on a couple of things. Let's write it down. Probably some observations here. So the first thing here is I'm gonna write this down as Twitch observations. So there's a whole ecosystem. There's a whole ecosystem going on here of integrations, tipping, um, integrations, tipping, um, aesthetic, uh, popularity, promotion, that sort of thing. So I think one thing here is the classic getting over the border effect. So your first people to sign on will always be the hardest people to sign on. And as you get more and more momentum, it does become easier. You just need to find, similar to like games where they find what they're called whales. It's basically like the people who will bring other people to your stream. You just need to find those. So there's definitely a real thing there of finding the audience and the audience finding you. Um, Another thing is like it seems for the just chatting, you need to be pretty established in the first place with a like set of following before you can just, right away go ahead and start streaming on a just chatting thing or even just the coding thing. Like you need to have like some sort of following. It feels like the coding one is easier than the chatting. So coding has larger audience than chatting, it seems. This is just a function of a number of followers. So I just think overall it's just a matter of doing it consistently. There's probably a huge aspect of this. It's just doing it consistently. Huge aspect of streaming consistently. And here's my thought on that. So basically, let's say that every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, not that Saturday, of course, but like every other Saturday afterwards, that I stream for like 2 to 3 hours. Now on Twitch, that looks good because I have like, I'm getting those Twitch hours that they want to do all the levels of promotions and all that. But it also makes it so that I'm targeting the specific days. And I'm pretty sure on Tuesdays and Thursdays and Saturdays are like days that most people are pretty free. I'm assuming like most people are like doing stuff on Friday evenings or going out, and I might be going out, so I don't really want to stream on Friday evenings all that much. Um, then there's the whole aspect of just getting those again those whale like viewers who will bring you in more viewers. And once they come in at a regular pace and you can like gain like a 4 to 10 people every time, then there's this whole thing of because most people are going to be organizing by top number of like viewers on your channel, that you will get more people following on your channel because of that. It's like this, it's like why most celebrities get like famous in the first place because they slowly get more and more people like talking about them and sharing about them, and that introduces it to more and more audiences. It's the network effect. So you just get more and more people like talking about this on the network. Um, so yeah, there's that aspect to it as well. So I think the goal here is to get like 10 people constant at a time on this stream. And then I think from there we'll just increase to more and more people on the stream. I do like some of the things that like Doug Doug does and that sort of thing to make the streams more interesting. Um, and I might do that in the future. I just don't have the chat following right now or the number of viewers to do it, and not the experience either. Nonetheless, the experience to do it, because there's a certain art to be able to talk to yourself and to no one in this chat right now to like be there and just continue to talk as like a monologue kind of thing. Um, it's definitely it's a new feeling, but I think over time it'll become easier. And it's just another thing that with practice that you will learn how to articulate and talk um, without any supposition of how people are reacting because there's no way I can really like tell right now how people are reacting. There's very like it's literally just text, so I cannot tell anything. For all I know, it's just like a AI behind it as the Turing test. So there's no way that I could be able to tell any of this right now. Um, that's sad. We're gonna put a aim here. Aim to get consistent 5 to 10 chatters. And to give you like a better example of what this means, like let's take a look. There's this thing called Zipf law. Oh, I remember this from a Vsauce video back in the day. Basically says that um, everything is on a log scale. So if you take a look at frequency over the rank, like um, almost like randomly sampled distributions or like that. Basically, it says like let's say I take every word from a book, right? And every word in that book becomes tokenized, and I figure out what the average text, occurrence is. On a scale, the first word will happen, let's say, 1,000 times. So the most popular word happens 1,000 times. The next word happens at a rate of 500 times. The next one 333. The next one 250. The next one 200. And it goes down in this like kind of like logarithmic 1 over x curve. And that's Zipf's law. So the top of the chain will have extraordinarily more than the bottom. And it also like reflects into like the sun itself. Like you take a look at the sun and you say, okay, what the mass of the sun is, it's one like solar mass, right? You will have 10 sun-sized suns, 10 suns with the one solar mass for every other sun that is 10 solar masses. And it's just the way of the universe. And even for that, like there will be 100 single solar mass suns for every 100 solar mass sun out there. And the same thing goes for this Twitch streamer thing, I guess, as well, because you'll be more attracted to listen on to streams with lots of people on it, by average. And that's just also a function of showing people the least, the most popular streamers, because no one's gonna go and click on, let's say, a stream with a single person chatting on it, or a single viewer, right? They're going to be doing it on a stream with lots of people on it, because then they have like a sense of community. It doesn't feel like so pressured to connect with the speaker or the streamer that hard, and you can kind of like ignore that aspect of it. But if you're the only person in the stream, it kind of feels a little awkward, and I think a lot of people would just like jump away from the stream if they don't see a lot of text going on in the stream at the same time. So I think that's part of the community building aspect of it, is just getting those chatters in the chat to give messages and whatnot. Anyway, um, and we're gonna just right here, obey Zipf's law. Okay, so those are our Twitch observations, and I think I'll add more overall, like as we go along. Probably just speaking about it more than actually writing it down, because I don't think there's any point in writing it down. I'm not gonna be able to take much action on these. It's just nice to like organize my thoughts with. Okay, let's take a look at the website here. So one of the things that like really attracted me to this website here was this like copy feature for the text, so you can like copy the code out of there, which is pretty nice, because I'm probably will be doing like a little bit of blogging about like code and all that. So I do want the quick feature of, being able to snatch out the code that I've posted here and then put it in your own thing. Okay, let's take a look at DuckQuill and just learn about this a little bit more. What it is, what we can do with it, and I'll like write a little bit of some notes down to keep around while I'm coding it, and then probably make some like cheat sheet about it and type it up later on. Yeah, I think that's probably a good idea. Let me send a message to a friend on Discord. Okay, so I think I remove this disaster stuff from here. I don't think I need any of this right now. I'll have to do something about all these hard drives on my desk. I have to organize these through. Okay. Let's learn about DuckQuill. All right. Cool website features. All right. So, what we got here? Ducklo is an opinionated, modern, pretty, and clean Zola theme that has the purpose of greatly simplifying the process of rolling up your blog. It aims to provide all the necessary options for comfortable writing while keeping the balance of simplicity. You can change some configuration variables, tweak some of the individual graphics or the included graphics, and have a nice blog up in minutes. Some features that it has to offer is a cute and informative social media cards or Discord, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Mastodon. Okay. We'll write that down. Where's the more part of this? And we'll also put a note here to re-enable CSV settings. Blog site. Okay, let's see. Where do they figure this out? So I definitely fucking hate Facebook. Um, uh, social Nazi Mark Zuckerberg and Elon and all them. Let's see, discourse. Is there any discourse here? It seems like it's just this part of the text that actually says that. Doesn't actually say anything else. What if I do social? Socials? Okay. Is this one? Is it this stuff in here? I wonder. What, it says it, John advertisement? John advertisement? What does that mean? Citron? Citrons? Not XYZ. I don't know what that means. Okay, this might be a. Mm. I don't know what this means, social cards. I don't actually see that anywhere. Yeah, I don't see that anywhere. There's no other mention of LinkedIn anywhere on here. So, oh, I don't know. Where's the examples of that? Let's take a look what they're talking about here. Okay. Let's put a little check mark here to look into this. Social media cards for discourse, Facebook, LinkedIn. Hate that website. Mastodon. Okay. We're just gonna say investigate where. All right. Mastodon power comments. Comment under a post by using your Mastodon. That's pretty cool. I like that. Mastodon powered comments, which honestly I prefer more to discourse, because Mastodon is like open source and whatnot, so you can have your own communities and all that. Lightweight, no mandatory JavaScript use. Okay, nice. No mandatory JS used. Which is sometimes the correct thing to do because you don't actually need that much JavaScript when you're on a page if you know your CSS well enough. Private sector analytics using goat counter, with support for self-hosting. What is this? Easy Web Analytics, no tracking of personal data. It's an open source web analytics platform available as a free self-donation. Why I made Goat Counter as an alternative to Google Analytics or Matomo. The art of Unix programming totals. Honestly, this is what I want. I just cannot be bothered to do this. Okay. Because I think I have my Google Analytics set up on the website. Analytics.google.com. Let's see actually what the analytics to the website is right now. Damn, really? There's that many people visiting my website? There's like 4 people a day. Dang. Poland. Oh, Philippines, Rwanda? Bro, these are no. There's no shot. A lot of it. Oh, I am getting organic search results. That's funny. That's really funny. Referral, organic search, organic social, direct. That's funny. How did people find it? I guess they must have searched up my name to go to my website. That means people are interested in me. Pretty interesting. No, I'm pretty content on the Google Analytics side of things, but it's good to know about this get counter thing. Um, oh, it's Irish. Nice. Plug in the Go programming language. No, this guy's killing it. Wonder how he did all this. Does it does it consistently? Oh yeah, it does. Oh, owls? What's this mean? The rogue game? No way. Huh. JSON format. Why would you not just use DQ? I have to respect the hustle. This takes a lot of time to do all this. Well, because index images take a cam just easier. Almost C library. Okay, cool. Good on him. He's keeping some of this stuff like pretty updated. Well, not based on, but still like more updated than the shit I have. Read HTTP archive format? HTTP archive format? Never heard of this. Is this a joke? It's a joke, isn't it? Oh, it seems real. Interesting. Okay. Well, let's continue. Continue sidetracked here. I'm gonna say uh, go counter for analytics. See what else. Estimated retime. Okay. Estimated retime. That's very nice. Estimated post read I'm not sure how you would do that. Maybe it's some sort of Zola templating that you could actually do that pre-process without using JavaScript. Everything is tinted with the user-defined accent color for a pleasant look, light and dark theme. Streamster, everything style, GitHub style alerts. Okay, good. Git style alerts. Post banners, they are even used in social media cards. Again, the social media cards thing, I don't see that. Post banners. Um, social, YouTube, Vimeo shortcodes for easy embedding. Okay, that's cool. YouTube, Vimeo shortcode. Useless UFC style. Tiny by default, take that 5 megabyte medium, customizable, copyright text. You better quack. So, image styling via URL. Yes. What? Okay. Image styling via URL. Which is something I want. Fuck off. URL. Localization. It's very easy. Code.md. Um, social media, social links and footer. Katek is nice. Katek. Latek. Bolivia. Katek. Library. Um, emoji favicon. If you are too lazy to draw one, copy button for code blocks, search functionality. Okay, yeah. If you like Duckbill, okay, well, how's this in order to? Let's take a look at the source here. If you like it, so it says alert. Okay, these are alerts. GitHub style alerts, right? Yeah. First, if you have Git set up in the theme, yeah, otherwise copy and take a theme directory important. Is this another? Yeah. Okay. Decal has some front matter variables that you can set. See, the documentation isn't like it's already in the website itself, which is very nice. And I get it because it's less work and honestly what I would have done myself. accent color. So I kind of do like the amber theme, to be honest. It's pretty nice. So I don't think I'm going to change that. Accent color dark. Okay, if not set, regular variant will be used. With that, you have accent color dark. What else do you have? Emoji favicon. Use emoji as favicon. What it means. Scripts. Additional CSS styles. Uh, styles and scripts and static folder. Attack per page. So you can do global or you can do local. So you have like a tech variable that you can use to enable stuff. If you want to do tech rendering. Apple Touch icon enables table of contents. Only the first two levels are listed. Whether to inline the table of contents at the top of all pages. Whether to use numbered ordered list of tables. Whether to display the whether to render inline table of contents at the top of all pages in addition to floating quick navigation buttons. I guess that's just breadcrumbs. I'll write that down. TOC inline. This is breadcrumbs. File name of the collocated Apple Touch icon. File name of the collocated favicon card. I don't know what that means. Collocated. It is highlighted, so let's see what we can find. Collocation. Oh, okay. Sibling. Um. Okay. These are pretty interesting things. No, for this one. So I bet if I go to the top here and I say something like disclaimer key is stored in the balls. Okay, it's not what I expected. It has to be global. Okay. Let's see. If we go to some pages here. Uh, blog. Galore. Not seeing it pop up here, which is odd. Okay. It's kind of inappropriate, but all right. All right, I'll take it. Okay. So let's remove that. We'll put a thing question here to say where. Okay, you can put banner images. Be collocative sibling. Um, recommended at 2:1 aspect ratio at 920, 1920 by 960. Okay. Uses scaling. Okay. Ditto. What does that mean? Hot? Poor? I don't know what that means. Hmm. Paid up extra poor. Hmm. Maybe I was right to put disclaimer. Let's see how it's rendering it. Oh, look at that. I like that rainbow. All right, page extra disclaimer. Okay. Yeah, something to do with the pages and the disclaimers. I gotta learn about that. I don't know how to do that quite exactly. Hmm. Okay. In the extra comment section, I don't know what that means. Um, mark posts as archive feature or okay. Blackwell ships with a localization system, line code, TOML, which should be either inside that file. You can add your own files. Yeah, okay. All right. Well, I think that's been a fun stream. I'm getting pretty tired. I am not going to be streaming this Saturday, but I'll be back on Tuesday. I might do an impromptu stream at Sunday evening. We'll see. We'll see. I might do one tomorrow. Saturday is just very busy for me right now. So if I don't see you until Tuesday, have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for those of you who did pop by, and we'll see you the next time. Okay, bye now.